The monarch butterfly, known by its scientific name Danaus plexippus, is an insect in the Lepidoptera order that is closely related to other butterflies in the Nymphalidae family, such as the milkweed butterfly, the common tiger butterfly, the wanderer butterfly, and the black-veined brown butterfly. Monarchs are widely dispersed throughout the American continent and have also been found in parts of Southeast Asia, Oceania, and Micronesia, the island chain off the coast of the Iberian Peninsula in Northwest Africa, where Cabo Verde and other island nations and territories are. When it comes to South Floridian ecology, monarch butterflies are commonly found in pine rocklands, hardwood hammocks, and swamps, though due to their species' curious nature in adulthood, they are often found to venture off into other habitats. Monarch butterflies are in the second trophic level, though their food sources change depending on what stage in their metamorphic life cycle they are in. In their larval form, monarch caterpillars only eat leaves from the milkweed plant family.
Really? You like leaves now?
This is because milkweed contains toxins that monarch caterpillars can tolerate and even utilize to deter predators. Because they have evolved to have this relationship with the milkweed and milkweed alone, all the habitats they spawn in during their larval form must be within the milkweed's range. Some common predators of monarch caterpillars include ants, spiders, wasps, and birds, though the toxins they gain from the milkweed usually make monarch caterpillars more of a niche prey item when compared to other caterpillars. After reaching maturity, monarch caterpillars build chrysalises where they live for 1 to 2 weeks. They then emerge in their adult form, which they live for another 2 to 6 weeks. Unlike other species in the Lepidoptera order like the atlas moth, monarch butterflies can continue to eat upon reaching maturity, and they consume nectar from surrounding flowering plants. Both angiosperms and butterflies emerged during the mid-Cretaceous period, and thus have had tens of millions of years of coevolution. You can usually tell when a flowering plant is pollinated by butterflies because they have bright colors, especially red, yellow, orange, pink, and purple. They have large flat bracts or multifloral inflorescences that allow for easy landing for the butterflies and are long and narrow, allowing the butterfly's proboscis to reach the nectar inside, but not other pollinating species like bees, beetles, bats, or hummingbirds. They also tend to be open during the day to match butterflies' diurnal sleep pattern and have sweet smells to allow monarchs and other butterflies to sense them from afar. The monarch butterfly entered the IUCN Red List as an endangered species in the early 2020s, threatened by habitat destruction from commercial agriculture and suburbanization, as well as climate change caused by human industrialization. This is particularly damaging as one of the key things about monarch butterflies is their migrations of over 4,000 kilometers across the Western Hemisphere, and thus they are dependent on several habitats across their journey to continue being habitable for them. If one habitat falls, it threatens the whole system. Quite literally a butterfly effect. This is really saddening as the monarch butterfly holds deep roots in Mexicana and Chicana identity through indigenous belief, especially among the indigenous Purepecha people who saw them as souls of the dead returning during Dia de los Muertos. Their arrival in Michoacan each November ties migration to spirituality, memory, and land, forging a sacred, enduring cultural connection. It's sad to see how a connection that has survived colonialism, genocide, Spanish supremacy, disease, French and Gringo invasions, and the Civil War may be severed due to human callousness and anthropocentrism. Viva Mexico and long live the monarch butterfly. Thank you.